Hello students, this is lesson 1 of class 6, diversity. Diversity is differences. Okay? Diversity means diverse, means variety of things. Okay, India is a diverse country, means people belonging to different religion, caste, color, creed are living here. मीन्स पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन, अलग अलग धर्म के, जाति के, अलग अलग रंग के लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं. तो मैनी काइंड ऑफ पीपल लिव हेयर, मैनी काइंड ऑफ पीपल लिव हेयर. इट मीन्स इंडिया इज़ अ डाइवर्स कंट्री, बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है. ओके, इंडिया में लैंग्वेजेस की डाइवर्सिटी है. पीपल स्पीक पंजाबी, हरियाणवी, मराठी. ओके, people also speak Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Odia. So variety, diversity is there. People eat different food, like some eat sambar vada, some eat rice and rajma, some eat say dhokla. Okay, and some people eat fish, rice. Okay, some are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian. Many kind of food we get here. So diversity is there in food also. People wear different kind of dresses. Some wear western dresses in Goa, some wear different kinds of sari in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and some people wear suits in Punjab. Okay, so variety is there in the dresses also. So in this chapter we are going to learn about diversity. See, number 1, there is a story about Sameer Ek and Sameer Do. There are two Sameer. Okay, the name is same. There are two individuals, तो अलग अलग इंसान हैं जिनके नाम है समीर. तो एक को हमने कहा है समीर एक और समीर दो. They are two different people having same name, Sameer Ek and Sameer Do. So story start होती है. The story starts with when Sameer Ek, okay, was going to his school on the cycle, on using cycle, and Sameer Do was a poor guy who used to sell newspaper on the red light, right? And he used to sell newspaper, and he gives the newspaper to Sameer Ek also, who was in the cycle, and talked to him like Sameer Ek wanted English newspaper. So Sameer Do, who was selling the newspaper, asked, do you know English? Okay, and do you know Hindi? Both. Like that they converse. Okay, and then they start talking on the red light. Sameer Do tells Sameer Ek that Sameer Do never went to school and he was uneducated, and he is selling newspaper when he was very young, say 7 to 8 years old, with her mother. Now he is selling newspaper on his own. Okay, so Sameer Ek belonged to rich family and Sameer Do belonged to poor family, and Sameer Ek used to go to school, but Sameer Do never went to school. He used to sell newspapers. So there was lot of difference in their life. The name was same, their name was same, they both were Sameer, but their life was very different. See, I have jotted down the differences for you. First, the language spoken by Sameer Ek was English and Hindi both, and Sameer Do used to speak Hindi only. Sameer Ek belonged to Hindu religion and Sameer Do belonged to Muslim religion. Sameer Ek belonged to rich family, on an economic background, and Sameer Do was poor. Sameer Ek was educated and Sameer Do was uneducated. Sameer one goes to school and Sameer two never went to school and he used to sell newspaper. So their life was very different. Okay, why they have chosen this story? They have chosen this story to show you that our names could be same, but our life could be totally different from each other. That means diversity. Okay, in India also there is diversity, as you know. So in this chapter they have shown the diversity of two states. Which are the two states? Ladakh and Kerala. Ladakh and Kerala. I've written the differences for you. Ladakh is in north, okay, in extreme north. In Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh comes. And Kerala is in south. It's extreme south, southern state of India. Okay. First of all, Ladakh is a desert area. Desert means it is not desert like Rajasthan, it is a cold desert. Rajasthan is hot desert. Okay, hot desert, there is a sand है वहाँ पर, हॉट डेजर्ट है, बहुत गर्मी रहती है. जबकि लद्दाख जो है बहुत ठंडा रहता है और वो एक ठंडा डेजर्ट है, कोल्ड डेजर्ट है. अब कोल्ड डेजर्ट कैसा होता है? डेजर्ट मीन्स वेयर देर इज़ नो वेजिटेशन, जहाँ पे कोई भी प्लांट ना उगे, कोई वेजिटेशन ना हो, कोई पेड़ पौधा ना उगे, उसे हम डेजर्ट कहते हैं. क्योंकि लद्दाख में स्नो के कारण, बर्फ़ के कारण कोई भी पेड़ पौधा वहाँ पर नहीं होता है, क्योंकि इट इज़ ऑलवेज कवर्ड विथ स्नो. ओके, सो वेजिटेशन कुड नॉट ग्रो देयर. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ डेजर्ट, बट इट इज़ cold desert. So Ladakh is a cold desert while Kerala is a coastal area. Coastal means it is near the sea. It is new word for you. Coastal means near the sea. लद्दाख के पास इंडियन ओशन आता है. अगर आप मैप में देखें तो इट इज़ नियर द सी, सी के पास का एरिया है ये. ऑक्यूपेशन, लद्दाख में लोग क्या काम करते हैं? शीप रेयरिंग. पीपल यूज टू डू शीप रेयरिंग. पीपल यूज टू रेयर शीप्स. Okay, and they collect their wool and make sweaters and all with that. In Kerala, people used to grow spices. Spices means masale, very good. Spices like clove, लौंग जिसे आप कहते हैं, okay, cardamom, इलायची, black pepper, काली मिर्च. So people do spice farming. Okay, in Ladakh, what do people eat? It is very cold there, so people eat meat, milk, right? And in Kerala, people eat fish, rice. Coastal area is there, fishes are there. In Ladakh, this diversity, people come from Tibet. Okay, and some Tibetan book is also translated as their religious book. Buddhist came there, Buddhism came from Nepal and all. Tibet is near the Ladakh, so Tibetan people come there with their culture. Muslim people are there, okay, as Pakistan is there, and many other religions, but mainly Ladakh comes under the influence of Tibet, Buddhism and Islam. While in Kerala, first of all, Vasco da Gama came to Kerala. He was Portuguese. Vasco da Gama came to Kerala in Calicut. Calicut is in Kerala. Okay, and he came to Kerala and he brought his Portuguese religion there. Portuguese culture there. And Portuguese used to follow Christianity. So lot of Christian people are living in Kerala. Islam and Christianity, both religion are there. So many churches are there in Kerala. Maximum churches are there in Kerala. Okay. So in this chapter they have discussed the diversity of Ladakh and Kerala. Ladakh and Kerala, to show you that how diverse the India is. You can take any other two states and you can compare them. Okay, you can take Rajasthan or and then you can take West Bengal and you compare them. They will be totally different in terms of their food, culture, dance, occupation. Okay, climate, in everything. So they are showing you diversity, how diverse India is. And because of this diversity, people eat different food. Like Ladakh is very cold, so in non-veg, yeah, people used to eat meat. While Kerala is very hot, people eat their rice, that is cool, and fishes are there because it is coastal area. So these kind of things make India a diverse country, and diversity is all over around us. Your friends are diverse, your best friend is different from you, your own brother sister are different from you. They have their own liking, they have their own choices, right? They have their own choices and they are different from you. Okay, so this is diversity, and we live in diversity, so we should respect others point of view. Always we should always respect others liking and disliking. Okay, we should not impose our liking on others, we should respect differences. This is the message of this lesson, that we should respect differences. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, thank you, Vita.